guys, we're headed to Bon Vietnam, which is a cute little Vietnamese restaurant if you can't already tell by the name of the restaurant.
We're gonna have a late lunch today, and during our lunch we're hoping to discuss with you guys what our takes are on diets as dietitians.
So stay tuned if you want to find out what the best diet is for 2021. Got the mango salad and we got it with the prawn and it looks so good. So Betty, are you on any diets and what do you think of diets in general?
That's a loaded question there. I'm definitely on a diet. Which one? A seafood diet. I see food and I eat it.
Me too.
So for me, the word diet has like a bad connotation to it, more so because it's usually related to like fat diets, whether it's like say ketogenic diet or dirty dozen or like soup diets or anything like that. But actually it's like diet, the definition of a diet is basically just what you eat or the types of foods you eat in a day.
Definitely, and we definitely don't believe that there are good and bad foods, and all foods can definitely fit into your diet. And if you want to learn more about that and how it fits into your own lifestyle, you could always work with your dietitian. So, is there a diet that's better than the other?
I wouldn't say so. I think it depends on your lifestyle needs or your comorbidities. There's different restrictions for different comorbidities, which you can, once again, go to your dietitian for specified advice, but I don't think one specific diet can kind of be the best for a whole population, even if it's like specified like Asian females at this age, but yeah.
We definitely hear a lot about the ketogenic diet as well. There are some research that it is beneficial for people who have diabetes, but however, there's just not enough research out there to confirm that it works. And actually, when ketogenic diets first started, it was actually for children who have epileptic episodes and those who don't find that epileptic drugs work for them. But we could go into a whole lot of other diets and go into a whole lot more details, but comment below if you want to learn more about specific diets.
So why did we come to this Vietnamese place?
So at first, we wanted to try some vegetarian options. After looking at the menu, I decided I wanted prawn and chicken.
But then we were also deciding on another place in the area that had a patio because we wanted to, distance ourselves because of COVID. And that's why we kind of came to this place, because there was a patio outside from the viewing of Google, but unfortunately their permit wasn't active yet, so we're still stuck inside.
But I mean, we have our share plates and our communal utensils. Not so much distancing, but you're my circle.
We're within the same bubble. Sanitize your hands.
This mango salad is so good.
Yeah.
I like that it's like savory but sweet and also kind of citrusy.
The shrimp is very good. It's like really well marinated with flavor.
Do you eat the head?
I break it down to eat it though.
Oh. I love like deep fried prawn heads.
Oh, they took out the shell for us too. It's just the tail part. Very considerate. A+.
So Betty, what kind of diet should you be on?
Well, since it's Halloween, trick, because there's no specific diet that works for everyone.
But treat, we're gonna put you on something here. So think of a typical day and analyze these 3 things. Number 1, internal factors. So what we're talking about are things like emotions, like if you're eating after a stressful day or out of boredom. Conditioning as well, so for example, if you're eating in front of the TV all the time, or if you're like me, growing up in an Asian household, I'm always told to finish every grain of rice in my bowl because for every grain that I leave behind, it's going to turn into a pimple on my husband's face.
Oh, I've heard that too. My mom told me that when I was young, but obviously that's not true. You should listen to your own hunger and satiety cues and not finish a plate because you're told to. And number 2, something that we want you to look after is quality of food. Like in our last video, we talked about it's quite a privilege to be able to choose foods and the type of quality of foods in your diet. But if you do have that option, we suggest having more whole foods and less processed foods. In addition to that, maybe having a bit more time slotted into your day for meal prepping and cooking, because usually those foods are a bit more nourishing than takeout foods or fast foods.
Yes, so besides the quality of your food, you should look at the quantity as well. So for example, if you're prepping your own food or getting takeout, paying attention to the portion sizes. And like what Betty had mentioned before, taking a look at your own hunger and fullness cue. Are you just finishing the meal because you feel like you should? Or are you finishing it because you're actually still hungry? And as a bonus, we actually have a free PDF file for you on our website. It's going to be more tips on how you can achieve your best diet for 2021.
Links down below. Make sure to check it out.
And with that,
We'll be back next time. Bye.
Oh, you're just not gonna stop. Okay, cool.
This is 12th Ave for you. It's like the narrowest street and no one goes slow.
Love that. Oh my god, can I go?
Yep. Go. Don't stop, just go. Just go.
Fast and Furious.
Yeah, 29 kilometers per hour.
You know what, Betty? That was very intense.
No wonder you're holding onto your seat when I'm driving.
I drive like a grandma.
That's okay.
So today, is that good enough for you?
That was definitely gonna be a bonus clip.